Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can do a poll on WhatsApp. This might be really useful if you've got a group and you're organising a night out and you're trying to decide what night to go out. All you have to do is hit this attachment button down here and it brings up this here, but can you see one of them says poll? So we're going to tap on that and it's going to ask a question and we'll have various different options, but we can add more options as we go along. For example, I'm going to say, what night should we go out? And then I'm going to put some options in. Add another option. And I'm adding another one. And there we go. Allow multiple answers because people might be able to go out on all 3 dates. So I'm going to leave the multiple answers option. And then when I send this through, you see now it will come through to here. And check this out. It's now come through to here. And look, I can choose that date and this date, and you can see it's updating over here. I can choose all 3 if I want, or just the one date. So let's say now if you had 5 or 6 people, you might find that one of the dates suits all 5 or 6 of the people, and then that can be the night that you can go out so everybody's involved. And then everybody can view the votes, so you can see what people voted for. Even the person who's set up, they can also view. And then if you go to view votes here or view votes here, you can see who's voted. So you've got you here and no waffling, and you and no waffling too. They're just the names off the phone purely for the video. So that's a really useful feature that WhatsApp have allowed there. Now let's say if you realise you made a mistake before anybody's voted on it or even after they voted on it. If you want to delete it, don't just click anywhere here because you're going to be adding votes to it. But remember, you can only vote once, so you can't spam it and vote 10 times on the one item. If you want to delete it, just hold down the title and then you can delete it in the normal way like you delete normal messages. And also, rather than giving out dates, you could pick the date. For example, if your birthday is on Friday the 4th of July, then you can write a message saying, are you able to attend on the 4th of July, yes or no? And then rather than having loads of people saying, yes, see you there, no, I can't make it, it's just yes or no answers, so you can get a quick snapshot of who's going to be there. But remember, it doesn't have to be about days out. It could be anything. It could be what's your favourite colour? Who are you going to vote for? It's a really useful feature. Thanks for watching.